Siyempre naman, wag nating kakalimutan yung spirit of the first Christmas. Tatawagin natin itong the memory of the first Christmas. Ayon sa narrative ng gospel writer na si John, sabi niya, in the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. And the Word was made flesh and dwelt among us. And we beheld His glory, the glory as of the only begotten of the Father, full of grace and truth. Lagyan natin ng emphasis yun, full of grace and truth. The Word o yung verbo, ang sabi po, was God. He was clothed with human flesh, born like us, to dwell among sinful men like us, so that we can know and do the will of God through Him. Ang pangalan po niya, Jesus Christ. Mind you, the word Christ is not His last name. Ito po ay description of the graces or the free gifts and the truth that He brought down from heaven to mankind. Tatlo po yun. Number one, the gift of redemption. Dito po ay masusumpungan natin at matatagpuan natin yung freedom from the penalty and power of sin. Ang pangalawa po ay yung tinatawag na the gift of revelation. The freedom from spiritual blindness that keeps us from knowing God and His fullness that dwells in Him, the God the Father and the Holy Spirit in Him. The freedom from alienation to adoption as His children, from ignorance of His will to insight of His will. The gift of His rulership, yan po yung pangatlo, over our life. Because He desires to be the king of a kingdom na nandun po sa puso natin ngayon. Because we look forward, we are waiting for His literal kingdom na ma-establish on this earth at His appointed time. At syempre, finally, yung mission of the first Christmas o yung layunin ng unang Pasko. At ito po ay so that we can receive and experience the fullness of grace and truth from Jesus Christ. Pero how can we receive this grace and truth that set people free from sin? At paano natin mare-recover yung original mood of Christmas, which are joy and triumph and praise? The beginning and ending of a Christmas song describe them. Yung beginning of the song is, O come, O ye faithful. Nang ibig sabihin, we are to come to put our faith or yung ating pananampalataya kay Jesus. And we can only come to Him by first coming out of sin demonstrated by a repentant life. And the ending of the song, O come, let us adore Him, Christ the Lord. The shepherds demonstrated to us how to adore Jesus as the Christ. Doon sa Luke chapter 2 verse 20, ang sabi po, and the shepherds returned, glorifying and praising God for all the things that they had heard and seen, as it was told unto them. Meaning, katulad po ng mga shepherds na ito, let us always praise Jesus, and in all we do, give Him all the glory with all our thankful hearts.